Hello YouTube land. Welcome to a frozen day here in Virginia. And we're back with the escaping escape. As I'm trying not to slide on this damn floor. So, as you remember last seeing her, she was in pieces, battling a few gremlins. And she was pretty much becoming a storage box for all my stuff. But, after finding out why she wouldn't run, finding out why she would stay in first gear when she would run, well, I can now report that she runs. I come up the lens, goddammit. She now runs and drives, which is amazing. We have new door panels. Interior is mostly clean. Okay, let me turn up music, so I don't get demonetized. But we're nice and clean here. A little bit of trash right here, but still very, very nice. I'm gonna throw this out for a second once it's got bugging me otherwise. So, her issue all this time, Moby staying dry in the carport, which is nice. This entire time, the clogged cats were what was causing this poor old girl an issue. Holy shit! I just turned the defroster on. You know what? Whatever. I like it. So she's now running and driving, defrosting. A little bit of a hole in the exhaust, why she's a little bit fluttery. But she is doing great. All this time, clogged cats were the issue. Clogged cats. I got one burnt out headlight, which I'll take care of later. Well, can I just whap, 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 whap? Nope. Worth a shot. But yeah, she runs and drives. Fog lights are good. Tires are old, but holding up. Fuse in my pocket. Her horn was unplugged. Well, the fuse was, I should say. But no check engine lights. She's doing good. Ah, because I just dumped myself in snow. $216K. The heat works, defroster works. I'm just letting her run in the snow because I felt like it. But yeah. It's a little quick video on the escape. I'll do a little more later. I can't believe it. Very happy. Oh, yeah, so new door cards. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at. Let's see if the rear is going to work. Yep. This thing is already sold for $4K. Picked up once the title comes in the mail. Few weird quirks on it, but yeah, she is done. She's ready to go. Quick video, but yeah, that's where we're at now. And looking at the headliners in this thing is good. But yeah, that's the end of that. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, and also the remote control works now. I think that's the weirdest sound mechanical locks ever. But yeah, can't believe it. Thank you for joining me in this little snowy wonderland. I'm gonna fix that little light later on, but she's good.